Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add phone number on Microsoft account. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to our browser right here and then search for www.microsoft.com. And then once you do that, you will be redirected right here in this website. Now, to change to add phone number or to change phone number, all we have to do is to click our profile icon that is located on the top right corner and then click My Microsoft Account. After that, you will be redirected to another tab, and then let's just wait for this to finish. And then once you're now in this part, all you have to do is to go on the left screen and then click Your Info. And once you click that, you will see all of the details of your account right here. And then as you can see, you will see the date of birth, the country, the language, and then as you can see on my account info, I don't have a phone number yet. So to add phone number, all you have to do is to click Edit Account Info, and then just click Send Code, and then just verify your identity, and then after that, just click Add Phone Number right here of your account, and then after that, you can just click Next, and then you will be sent an OTP that you can use so that it will be confirmed. And after that, you're now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.